Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get people to help you water your flowers for crossbreeding in Heartopia. So you are going to go around and you're going to water like other people's flowers first in hopes that they will help you to water your flowers. Not everyone will do this, by the way, so just keep that in mind. But the first step is to water other people's flowers. Okay, and when you're at your house, you will need to put up a sign to help encourage people to water your flowers. It says, "Water me, please." And hopefully, people will water your flowers. I had people water my flowers more with the sign up. So maybe this is your sign. See what I did there? No, okay. This is your sign to put up a sign that says to water your flowers, and maybe they'll water your flowers to help you with the cross breeding. And as you can see, someone is watering my flowers. It does work. So, yeah. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!